How to turn off Gemini on your Android phone. Here's how. First, open the app drawer by swiping up from the home screen and look for the Gemini app. Tap and hold the Gemini app, then tap Uninstall and confirm to remove it. Alternatively, you can open the Settings app, go to Apps, then Manage Apps, find Gemini, tap on it, and choose Uninstall. If Uninstall isn't available, tap Disable instead. Keep in mind that uninstalling the Gemini app may not completely disable Gemini. Now, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Additional Settings. Then tap Gesture Shortcuts. Look for Launch Google Assistant, then tap on Press and hold the power button. Now, change the shortcut to None or turn it off, depending on the options available on your Android device. That's it. You've successfully turned off Gemini on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.